Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be opening the evolution chest in Clash Royale. So first I'm going to show you all my evolutions and let's see if we can get a duplicate, but I hope that we can get an evolution that we haven't unlocked yet. So I'm fine with either Witch, maybe Evo-Cage or Inferno Dragon, because they still need 3 evolution shards. So let's go and hope we get 5-star. Ooh, 4-star, nice. Are we gonna get a 4-star or 5-star? Let's see. Okay, only 4-star. So that means 2 evolution shards. Hope we don't get a duplicate. We got 2 evolution Dart Goblins, guys. At least it's not an owned evolution, so that's still pretty good, guys. So what did you get? Share in the comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.